Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So basically it can be your network problem or maybe the app may get glitch. So first the thing you can do is you can go to settings, then find apps, and then find Instagram. So let me find Instagram. So here's Instagram. So then go to storage and clear his data and cache. So that can fix the problem sometimes, and if you need not fixing the problem, then the second thing you need to check is your network, is your Wi-Fi is okay or not, if your Wi-Fi is connected or not, or if you are using mobile data, you need to make sure that the mobile data is working good. Okay, and so like I have done checking my mobile data, and if it is not working still for you, then the last thing you can do, you can turn off your phone and turn it on again. So that's the ways you can fix Instagram refresh feed is not working. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next video.